All right, you guys, I'm going for a win tonight. Who's with me? That's what I like to hear. Joining us tonight are two of my favorite ladies. Chef Guarnaschelli and actress Heléne Yorke. My guests today are Guarnaschelli, good friend of mine, and Heléne Yorke. She's a very prolific actress, and she's really funny. So I'm gonna let you in on a little secret.
Really?
Last season, I went to a Knick game, and I met Heléne. Now we kind of date.
You instantly hit it off.
Yeah, I was like, here's this sweet guy. Who knew?
We like to cook together, too.
How's that go?
I mean,
It's good.
it's like, what temperature's the oven at? You know you have to rehydrate them anchovies. So, it's a lot of that.
We're gonna eat you alive tonight, Bobby.
All right, you guys, who's up tonight?
Bobby, our first contender made his name in the Midwest. Please welcome executive chef Stephen Oakley.
Our next contender went from rock star to culinary star. From Nashville, Tennessee, Bobby Hansen. Ooh, another Bobby.
What's up, guys? These ladies behind me, it's their mission to get me beat tonight. But first, you must go through each other. So I'm gonna give you guys one ingredient in 20 minutes to make it the star of your dish. And that ingredient is top round of beef.
Love it. It's tough, it's got no flavor, it smells like trouble.
This could be a tricky ingredient.
Top round is best when you braise it for a long time, so kind of freaking out.
All right, you guys, you have 20 minutes to make it the star. Go.
I'm going to be making a beef roulade with shiitake bacon stuffing with a horseradish cream.
I get my top round all diced up, mix it with capers, mustard, olive oil, because I want elegant raw steak tartare with romesco sauce.
So why do you want to beat Bobby today, Stephen?
He's got to come back down to earth a little bit, you know?
I do know. Can you tell me a little bit why you would put lemon on the beef?
The citrus will bring out the flavor of the beef.
Well, good luck, Stephen.
Thank you.
I can see I'm getting a color, I'm getting a char, and I finish it off in the oven. Now, I want a fresh sauce to cut through the beef. I blend crema, horseradish, and some lemon juice.
I kind of scatter the steak tartare on the plate,
There's 2 minutes left.
and then crispy shiitake mushroom chips, warm quail eggs.
He's got capers, quail eggs, mustard.
Shiitake mushrooms.
Maybe a little bit too much going on with it.
My roulades are looking great. I pull them off, I start to slice.
I'm worried that Bobby's meat is undercooked.
A couple of them didn't cook evenly. Just not what I wanted.
30 seconds left.
I need more elements like yogurt, almonds.
10, 9,
I grab the best looking roulades I have.
3,
2, 1. Chefs, we are counting on one of you to get Bobby Flay beat.
It's gonna come down to what you did with this top round of beef. Stephen, tell us what you made.
I made a steak tartare with quail eggs, a little romesco.
Stephen, this is beautiful. You have so many different textures going on. I mean, you do have the crispiness of the mushrooms, and there's a crunch with the almonds. You're just getting a little of everything.
I think the sweetness and the roasted flavor of the piquillos of the beef is delicious. But I just have to say, I've got 9 ingredients to get through to get to the beef.
That said, there's a lot of really good flavors here.
Delicious.
Thank you.
Bobby, tell us what you made.
It's a seared top round roulade with shiitake bacon stuffing with horseradish crema.
You have this spicy beef, and you're getting a bit of the coolness of the horseradish crema, which is a really nice contrast.
I really love the bacon inside with the shiitake and the bourbon. I just think it's hard when you make a roulade, you roll it, and the beef inside didn't get the same loving as the beef that got the direct contact with the pan. But I mean, that little combination, bacon, horseradish, beef, it's hard
It's
to
like
beat.
the triumvirate of dreams.
We have a tough decision. We're just gonna take a minute.
Stephen may have used too many ingredients for the tartare, but Bobby may have undercooked his roulade. We'll see what happens.
And the chef moving on to beat Bobby Flay is Chef Stephen.
I felt like I really showcased my southern flavors, so I don't have any regrets. I leave it all on the stage.
Stephen, we just felt your dish had more complexity to it.
Slap him around, Stephen.
Stephen, congratulations. You made it through round 1.
I'm ready for round 2.
what are we cooking tonight? What is your signature dish?
My signature dish is seafood corn dogs.
What? Seafood corn dog?
Midwestern classic.
How do you make a seafood corn dog?
I mean, Steven, who else has heard of a seafood corn dog? You're about to murder him dead. As much as we would love to judge this round, Bobby won't let us.
So instead, we've got 3 industry experts standing by to do a blind taste test. You will have 45 minutes.
And your time starts now. Bobby, what are you doing?
Making a little batter. First the all-purpose flour, then rice flour and soda water is gonna give it stealth-like crispiness, and that will hold on to the cornmeal. And then into the fryer.
Hey, Steven, do you have any sauces?
Right now, I'm making a little bit of mustard and honey. And the other sauces, the secret wow factor. We got creme fraiche, chives, fennel pepper, just kind of a riff on a ranch.
That sauce looks delicious. You know what it means when Steven wins?
We win. Ow!
I poured sour orange mustard sauce in a ramekin. I'm gonna grab my plates, which are corn-shaped for the corn dog.
How are we feeling?
Good.
What's it gonna taste like?
A corn dog, I think, or who knows. I see the first corn dog rise to the top. They're gonna be crispy, which is the key thing.
I like how they're rustic.
And by rustic, I mean messy looking.
I'm just shocked I got it out of the fryer. Small victories, Steven, small victories.
At this point, I start plating the creme fraiche, place a couple corn dogs.
Steven, these are so beautiful. Bobby, you see this?
Nope.
Looks pretty good.
I want to just add another whimsical element to the dish. Corn silk, crisp up, and a little sweet garnish.
Don't overdo it with your garnishes, for God's sake.
30 seconds left, you guys.
I skewer my corn dogs. I mean, I think it looks, well, I'm just hoping for the best.
Maybe the Bobby sausage tastes better than Steven says. We don't know.
I placed the honey mustard on the corn dogs.
9.
Sprinkle some smoked paprika, and then tangerine and lime zest.
And garnished with fried corn silk.
3, 2, 1.
Steven, Bobby, congratulations. Now it's time to meet your judges.
First up, chef and restaurateur Madison Cowan. Next, we have the chef owner of the Spotted Pig, April Bloomfield, and the chef owner of the Red Cat, Jimmy Bradley.
Today's challenge was a seafood corn dog. Please start with the plate in front of you.
To me, this is like, New England goes to the Midwest. This is a real good corn dog. The filling is great. You can taste the shellfish, taste the corn.
I like the texture of the seafood sausage. It's very elegant. The creme fraiche and the tarragon in particularly works well with the seafood.
Right, the sauce is almost like a remoulade. It's absolutely amazing. And much like a corn dog, it's got a lot of corn, a lot of casing, a lot of batter on it. Really, it's a bit too much.
The batter might be a little thick, but all in all, it's very enjoyable.
All right, judges, please switch your plates.
I like this dish. I love how it's presented. I love the kitschiness of it. It's got like this retro feel to it. What really wows me is the crunch of the exterior of the corn dog.
The shell is really crispy, tasty. The sauce with the orange and the mustard is delicious. Nice, bright, clean flavor.
I agree with my colleagues here that the batter was spot on. It was proper crispy, it's lovely. I could actually take that and some dip alone. I'll be a happy boy, yeah?
But the sausage itself, it's a little grainy, so it makes me feel like it was just overworked.
Certainly, the filling is maybe a little bit dry, perhaps a little overcooked.
But that casing, man, was wicked.
I don't know, it's gonna be a really hard decision.
All right, judges, it's that time. You must take a vote.
Steven's is like 5 stars. It's beautiful, but I think the coating on mine is a little bit crispier, and people like crunch. We'll see who's the top dog tonight.
And the winner is... Steven, you just beat Bobby!
Kind of overwhelming. Bobby Flay is a boss, but I proved that you don't have to be a fancy New York City chef to have great food.
This bouquet of success and victory. Oh, the nose on this sucker.